Want to learn how to use digital tools in your research? The UCR Library Digital Scholarship Certificate shows you how to integrate digital tools, methods, and technologies into your research, teaching, learning, and publishing. Getting your certificate issued by UCR Library is simple. Attend workshops, complete our Canvas assignments, and create a capstone project. Graduate students, faculty, and early career researchers need at least 5 workshops, while undergraduates only need 3. Just pick workshops that interest you. They're held at Orbach 122 with online options too. You can choose workshops from both tracks regardless of whether you're an undergraduate or graduate student, or simply attend individual workshops for personal interest. Both tracks share some workshops like digital portfolio building and project planning. Graduate workshops also cover the topics in computational methods on text analysis, qualitative data analysis tools, XR design, online academic profile building, open access publishing, and many more. Undergraduate workshops cover the topics in building online exhibits, digital scholarship project types, and more. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description below or scan the QR code to self-enroll on Canvas.